Want to close deals faster and eliminate the wait for signatures? eSignature tools are your best friend in speeding up that process, and in this 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to use them efficiently, so you can finalize deals in record time. Stick around because I'll also share an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using today, only available to my viewers, so you can follow along step by step. eSignatures have revolutionized the way we do business. No more waiting for printed documents, fax machines, or mail. Now everything can be done digitally, securely, and within minutes. Let's dive right in and start using eSignature tools to close deals faster. First, the key to speeding up deals is making sure the document is ready to go before you even think about sending it out for signature. That means having your contracts, agreements, or proposals preloaded into your software. Most eSignature tools allow you to upload files directly from your computer or even cloud storage. If you want to save time, you can store frequently used documents for quick access, so you don't have to upload them every time. Once your document is uploaded, you'll need to set up the fields where signatures, initials, and other information are required. This is where the magic happens. Adding digital signature fields in the right places will allow the recipient to sign without the back and forth of multiple email exchanges. In our software, this process is super intuitive. You can just drag and drop signature boxes wherever they're needed. Plus, you can add date fields, checkboxes, and text areas for anything else you need. Now, after you've set up your document, it's time to send it for signing. Most platforms let you input email addresses for all parties involved and specify the order in which they'll sign. This way, the document follows a smooth workflow, and you're not chasing signatures from different people at different times. Some tools even let you track who has signed and who still needs to sign in real time, so you're always in the loop. The next game changer is the automation features available with these tools. For example, you can set reminders for recipients who haven't signed yet, and some tools even send automatic follow-up emails. This saves you from sending multiple reminders manually and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Once the signatures are collected, the tool will automatically generate a completed signed document that's legally binding. You'll receive a copy, and depending on the platform, your clients will also get one for their records. Most software offers the option to download the document in formats like PDF, so you can easily save, share, or print it. Now, if you're ready to get started with eSignatures, make sure to check out the exclusive free trial for the software we've used in this tutorial. It's linked in the description below, and it's only available to my viewers. Key takeaway: eSignature tools can streamline your workflow and close deals faster by eliminating paper delays, automating reminders, and providing an easy-to-follow signing process. Remember, start by uploading your document, set signature fields, and send it out to signers in the right order. Don't forget about the automation features to ensure a smooth, hands-off experience. Lastly, be sure to grab your exclusive free trial in the description if you want to dive in and follow along with what we've covered today. That's it. Happy signing, and see you in the next video.